Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Boulder 18-foot by 52-inch steel above-ground swimming pool kit. This all-steel above-ground pool features hot-dipped galvanized components, and it boasts a beautifully designed mist-colored pool wall that will blend seamlessly with any backyard decor. The two-piece injection molded resin connectors complete the pool, giving it an upscale, modern look. Includes liner, sand filter, pump, skimmer, and entry ladder. The VL Series 13-inch sand filter with 30 gallons per hour pump comes with everything you need to keep your pool water sparkling clean. Easy to assemble and holds up to 300 pounds, the heavy-duty A-frame pool ladder provides a safe and easy way to enter and exit your new pool. Product benefits. Advanced Krystal Kote coating finish is engineered to combat rust and UV fading. High-quality steel construction provides lasting durability, backed with a 20-year manufacturer's warranty. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.